Welcome to the session Tree Connector of the First Steps course. In this session, you will learn how to use bionic lightweight design to minimize the weight of your product on the example of our bionic tree connector. You will create a 3D tree structure of pipe curves connecting a root point in the start geometry to target points in the end geometry. With this feature, you can create bionic lightweight designs for your own products. In this session, we are aiming to create a lightweight version of the cantilever beam that we created in the geometry generation session. This is what we are aiming for. This is the start geometry and this is the end geometry. And before we had a solid beam that connected these two geometries. And now we want to create a 3D tree structure of pipe curves that connects these bodies that will be much lighter than the solid beam. The inputs for this session are the start and end geometry, then a root point that lays within the start geometry, here, and target points that lay within the end geometry. And I prepared multiple target points or multiple groups of target points, so we can either create a tree connector with 3 target points, 1 with 4, or 1 with 5. I'm going to blend these out and let's start. The first step is to actually create the tree connector. Type in the word and select the component tree connector. Now we can just plug in the prepared root and target points and you can see that the tree connector is created. If you zoom in to one of the points, you see these circles and this is the radii that will be applied for the pipe curves. So now we can use these inputs too. These are the levels. So right now we have 3 levels. We can also go with 2 or 1. And then I'm gonna plug in 2 different radii. The first one, or if you only plug in one, it will be applied for the whole connector. And if you apply a second one, then depending on the order, the first one will be at the start point or the root point, and the second one will be applied through the target points, and in between the values will be interpolated. You could also plug in many more values, and then you will get an interpolation between these values. Okay. The next step is not necessary, however, it's good to know that you have this option. We will modify the tree connector. We will use an indice to select one of these points. So the indice of the first point is 0, the second is 1, and then it's 2 and 3 and so on. So if we want to select this point, we use the indice 1, and then we will exchange this point for a different point. And to do that, we plug in this point, and you can now actually select it in the viewer and drag it to a different location to exchange it. So this is our new tree connector. Let's blend out the old one and go for a place that you think looks good. Maybe it's a bit high. Let's go deeper. All right. You can also select a different indice here And as you can see now, we are using this point. And you can adapt this however you feel like. We will use these pipe curve output to create a pipe network mesh. And then transform it into a solid. Use the mesh to solid component. And I will blend these out so that we can actually see the solid, which looks smooth and nice. So we can continue. Plug this into the union component to unify it with the start and end geometry. And this is the result. We have a tree connector structure and it's connected to a start and end geometry. And now we can go back to the start all the way and try out connecting different target points to our workflow and see how the structure adapts. Right, so this looks a bit weird. That's the point that we exchanged, so we can adapt this, drag it to a different place to make it look nicer. Okay, I'm happier with that. And now you can also change maybe the levels or the radii. And yeah, you can play around here and change these three factors up. So you can change the point that you exchanged with the modified tree connector. You can change up the levels and the radii or the target points. In this session, you got to know the workflow to create a bionic lightweight design using the tree connector component. You are now able to implement this feature in your own product development processes.